Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this mixed media mandal art. For the base, I used a circular MDF board of 22-inch diameter and 5.5mm width. When I started it, I had no idea about the design. I just knew that I wanted to make a mandal, and I knew that in a mandal there are many concentric circles. So I mixed some Fevicryl molded clay and I glued it in 3 concentric circles. Then I cut off the handles of some wooden spoons and I glued them in a circular shape. I used Fevibond to glue this. Fevibond is a very strong glue and I use it in most of my artworks. Then I glued the handles of the spoons in the outermost circle. I also made some button-like shapes of the clay and I glued it along the outer circle. Once the whole arrangement was completely dried, I painted it all with white acrylic paint. Then I painted the whole design with bright acrylic colors. I added some details using white acrylic pen. The acrylic pen that I use is from STA and I absolutely love it. In the end, I sprayed varnish over the whole painting and then I glued a lot of decorative mirrors. Our painting is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.